Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain coin. The price line of Vechain has reached the resistance of a symmetrical triangle, and in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will break out this resistance or it will be moved back to this support. And in today's video, I also want to show you a very important two signals. If those signals will be appeared, then the Vechain can move up to break out the resistance, this very key level and final resistance of 27 cents. Okay, first of all, I want to show you my previous ideas that I have been sharing with you. I shared this idea in the month of Feb, on 8th of Feb, when the price action of Vechain completed a very big bullish bat, and I was expecting up to 233% bullish rally. I also shared this idea with you in the form of video as well. Like this was a video that I shared with you in the month of Feb, and this was a very big bullish bat pattern. Let me show you this bat pattern, and this is the Patreon. Here I am sharing the different harmonic trading ideas on the daily basis, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this is the link for the chart that I shared, and I'm going to open the link. And we can see at that time the price line was moving in the buying zone, or this potential reversal zone of this very big bullish bat pattern that was formed on the weekly time frame chart. Now after playing this chart, we can see that it has rallied very well. This chart was in fact formed, this bat pattern was formed against the Bitcoin pair. And if we see the price action at that time, on 8th of Feb, the price line was moving at 3.5 cents. Let me show you. If we move back to the month of Feb, on 8th of Feb, and we can see at that time the price line was moving approximately at 3.5 cents, between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. And it has rallied up to 27 cents. That is more than 600% bullish rally after taking bullish divergence from this very big bullish bat pattern. And last time I shared this idea in the month of April, on 23rd of April at the Patreon, when we had a very drastic drop. And during this drop, the price action completed the final leg of another bullish reversal harmonic bat move, and this time this bat formation was completed on the 6-hour chart. And now I'm just going to play this chart. You can see that at that time it was moving at 18 cents, and after playing the chart, we can see the price action turned bullish from the buying zone of this bullish bat pattern, even though we had a very long spike beyond this buying zone on 23rd of April, where the price action moved back in the buying zone, and we had a rally up to 25 cents. And now the price action is moving here again at the same level, even at the 12 cents at this time. Now on the daily time frame chart, we can see that we have the different support and resistance levels, and here we have a very strong additional support of 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart. And we can see that we have one touch here and one touch here, and the price action is not able to break down this 200 simple moving average support. Along with that, we also have this 8 cent support, and this is also breaking as a very good support. We can see that previously it was breaking as a support here, and now it is breaking as a support here, and the price action is likely to move up after getting bounced by this support. The next resistance is at 14 cents, then we have the resistance at 19 cents, then 24, and this is our final resistance at 27 cents. Now let's move to the very important move that I want to show you in today's video, and this is a big formation on the daily time frame chart of this symmetrical triangle. And we can see that the price action, after getting bounced by this support, is finally again reached at this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. We also have this 21 EMA daily resistance working as an additional resistance above this triangle. But I believe that once we will have a proper confirmed break out from this resistance, then the price action can also break out the next resistance of this 21 daily EMA. And if it will be broken out, then we can see that after 12th of May, the price line will again break out this 21 daily EMA. And at the same time, the Bitcoin is also very close to this resistance of the descending triangle. You can also call it as a symmetrical triangle, because at the same time, now the price action is forming the higher lows. And in this situation, it is symmetrical triangle. However, in both situations, whether it is a symmetrical triangle or a descending triangle, this is our resistance of the triangle, and the price action needs to break out this resistance in order to make any big move. So I would be looking at this breakout of the Bitcoin that is approximately at $38,500 if we will have the closing above this level, and at the same time the Vechain can break out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. And then once we will have this Bitcoin breakout and the Vechain breakout all together, then it can be the right time to buy the Vechain. And in my point of view, the Vechain can produce more profit than the Bitcoin in percentage. For example, if we measure this triangle from this tail up to this support, then as per this triangle, our next target can be approximately 18 cents. However, I'm expecting that the price action of Vechain can move all the way up to this at 27 cents to break out this level if we will have this breakout. The same point of view I shared with you in my yesterday's video of the Dogecoin. Here we can see that the Dogecoin also has broken out this resistance of the falling wedge on the daily time frame chart. We have a nice small rally on the small time period chart. For example, from here, approximately from 30 cents to 34.6 cents, we had a very small rally so far. However, once we will have the breakout by the Bitcoin, once it will break out this resistance of the triangle, then the Doge and the Vechain both can start a very, very big bullish rally. And I'll give you the advice that if, for example, if we will have a breakout by the Vechain before the breakout of the BTC, like the Doge has broken out this resistance, then we should wait for this breakout of the Bitcoin. So we should wait for two very, very important signals. The one is the breakout of the Vechain, another one is the breakout of the BTC. Now, if we take a look at the MACD indicator here on the daily time frame chart, we can see that the MACD is extremely oversold and has given us the bull cross, and it has turned bullish, giving the signals for the breakout. But if we take a look at the Vechain here, then the MACD is still bullish. But if we take a look at the directional movement index, then this negative directional index is moving down, and this positive directional index is also moving to the upside. Once we will have a clear cross by these negative and positive directional index, this blue line will cross up this orange line. That will be that can be the confirmed buying signal, as the ADX, that is at this time it is showing the power of bears, it is moving down. So we can also wait for this directional movement, the buying signal by the directional movement on the daily time frame chart as well. However, the BTC breakout is really very important. We should wait for this, whether you want to buy any altcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.